Our swimming pool is cold. So let's go ahead and check out our pool heater. We have a Raypak water heater, and we're looking at the error code here, and the error code says water SW open, which means the water switch is open. So the sensor is sensing that there is low water flow or no water flow, so our heater will shut down for safety reasons. First thing we do, we have to check our valves, make sure our bypass is closed and the in and out are open. So what I'm going to do here is we're going to check our baskets, and then we're going to backwash also our filter. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, right here, now that that power's off, we're going to go ahead and clean our baskets down, then also backwash our filter. We have a sand filter, so our pressure was at 20 psi, so let's go ahead and backwash it. So we're going to backwash it for like 4 minutes or until our water runs real clear. So it's been 4 minutes. So let's go ahead and put our filter back to filter and turn it back on, and let's go check our PSI, see if it went down. Okay, yes, we went down like 10 PSI on our filter. The water seems to be flowing real good. Let's go ahead and turn our heater back on and check it out. Okay, let's go ahead and check out our heater. It's heating now, and our temperature is at 67 and our set is at 88. So I'm gonna set it to like 87. I might set it to 84 degrees. So let's go ahead and give it a few hours and come back and check our results. Okay, let's go ahead and check our heater out, see where we're at. There it is there. We're set at 84 and the temperature is 84 degrees. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.